Ake ngibingelele kubafundisi bomkhonto wesizwe. Kuno SAIG, kuno Religious Desk, kunamanye ama-formations akhona emkhontweni. Bafowethu, ngikusho nje lokhu ngoba ngingena ku-2025. Njengoba singena ku-2025, I took ama-resolutions engazi ukuthi azophatha bani kabi, azophatha bani kahle. Ngiqale nje since ngajoyina uKhongolose, ngifike kukhona iNICSA, National Interfaith Council of South Africa, ngafika kukhona iCRA, iCRA-ke ibizwa Commission of Religious Affairs. Sangena kuma-formations ahlukene kakhulu, sa-deep, sihlanganiswa ngokwezinkolo ezihlukene. Quickly ngajoyina umkhonto wesizwe, nawo fike waba nazo futhi into ethi yonke inkolo ayibe ndawonye. Okay, it's a good exercise actually, ngoba sesikhuluma manje ngento esiyaziyo, sesikhuluma manje nge-freedom of speech, ukuthi kuhle ukuthi ukukhulume nje into yakho. Lento engiyikhulumayo ayikho emkhontweni, ikhona kodwa kwi-constitution yomkhonto, kodwa futhi ayivumelani nalento engiyikhulumayo njengamanje. Ngiyakwazi lokho, and ubaba uNxamalala ngiyazi futhi ukuthi akuyona into yakhe le ngikhulumayo, ne-high command akuyona into yayo, nabefundisi futhi cishe akuyona into yabo le ngizoyikhuluma njengamanje. Bafowethu, the time has come. I think it's now. La kufanele khona kwesinye isikhathi ukukhuluma iqiniso nje lingadingwa umuntu. Bafowethu, ukuhlanganisa iChristianity nabelaphi mangachaza inyanga nezangoma, it doesn't help. It kills our spiritual growth. Kakhulu ngikhuluma lokhu ngokuxolisa kakhulu kwabazinyanga, ngiyaxolisa kakhulu bafowethu, anonelutho kimi, ngiyanithanda ngothando luka-love. Uyabona uthando luka-love, ngiyanithanda bafowethu. Izangoma ngiyayithanda, ngiyithanda ngothando luka-love. Kodwa bafowethu, I've tried so many times ukuba kuma-formations whereby ngicompromise my own spiritual background yokukhonza uKristu. I like politics. It doesn't involve or it doesn't hinder anything from me. But bafowethu, ukuhlangana namarasta yonke lento lena namaHindu, bafowethu, I'm so sorry. I can visit them but not associate myself with them, ngoba sikhonza into efanayo. Ngiyaxolisa mkhonto wesizwe, ngiyanazi manithanda ke ningangenza noma yini enifisa ukungenza yona, but to me ngiyabona njalo there is this conflict eqhamukayo vele ibe inkinga kakhulu, and I suspect that the spiritual connection amongst the leaders zinayo lento yokufuna i-identity, okwenza ukuthi size sigcine kubonakala engathi asizwani. Ngiyacela ukusho ukuthi for now I jump the ship. I won't be part of any interfaith in my life. I won't be part of interfaith, but I will be umkhonto wesizwe. And now it's time to agree ukuthi no, angikwazi ukuqhubeka ngiphila impilo engemina, and nasebandleni engiliholayo akwazi ukuthi ngiphile enye impilo, ngifike emkhontweni ngiphiliswe enye impilo engingayiphili uma ngiworshipa uNkulunkulu. I like i-constitution ku-section 23 ngithi ku-2 ethi you've got the right of association. Ngicela i-MK ingivumele. I've got the right of association. Ngicela ukuyi-associate with Christians. Uyazi ukuthi kulama groups esesike saba nawo, you can't even share the word of God. Ulama group esinawo. You can't even talk about Christians or about the Christianity. You can't even talk about anything that relate to your spiritual growth. Ake sivumele mkhonto nxamalala, sivumeleni bafowethu nathi ke sihambe siyofuna ezobizo lwethu, ke sihlale nazo phansi, ke sikhulisane, sithi sisemkhontweni sizabalaza, sibe sikwazi futhi ukuphinde sikhulise kwi-spiritual growth. Mhlambe ngaba wrong ngesikhathi ngithi ngiyafisa ukuthi abaholi bezenkolo babe yi-alliance. Ngiyayikhumbula lonto ngayixoxa emhlanga ngavukelwa abantu, ngavukelwa nje abantu engangibathembile, ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthi ezenkolo zibe independent emkhontweni wesizwe. One, sibuke lento ethi kubalulekile ukuthi si-influence the politicians, sibe ingxenye yama-decision makers ezwe njengabefundisi. Angazi noma ngizokusho kahle. I preach into ye-godly government. Into ye-godly government bafethu namanje ngiyayiphinda, namanje ngiyayisho emkhontweni, I'm here for i-godly government. Ukuthi sizo-influence ama-godly issues, ama-government issues emkhontweni. Usizo-influence i-system ebekade ikhona ngaphambilini, i-system ekhona ethi abesilisa baganane bodwa, abesifazane abaganane. Iningi izinto ey'khona ey'limazwe yikho lokhu kokuthi we associated ourselves with mhlambe abantu actually who should not be part of i-journey ye-Christianity. Angisho njalo because ukuba isangoma inkolo yazi yakhona nje nokuba inyanga inkolo, nathi kwi-Christianity inkolo awukwazi ukuhlanganisa iy'nkolo together, zingabekezelelana uma sezihlanganele zona mhlambe emcimbini noma kumarali, zingahlala ngandawo. But you can't tell me ukuthi singaba kuma-structures ndawonye sixoxe into enomqondo wodwa. Ngiyayithanda incwadi laphana basefesu 2 ithi banene mqondo munye nakwazi kunye, angithi nanhliziyo nye namoya munye. Uyayizwa lonto leyo? So ibalulekile lento yezwi bafowethu, asikwazi bafowethu. Ngiya-understanda ke kulabo abakuphethe ngokubili, mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi ngapha umfundisi ngapha mhlawumbe uyinyanga, it's okay, asixabene futhi nalokho. But ake sihlukanisaneni bafowethu ukuze ingabi bikho into ezokwenza ukuthi in future kube ngathi sihlala. Ngiyabuka nje ama-event esihlale sikuwo whereby abanye bengeneliseki abanye, and mina ngifuna ukuba semkhontweni ongeza uku-approva. Ngifuna ukuba umfundisi ongeza ozoba kwi-association engeza uku-approvwa, mhlawumbe engazoza ukuze i-approvwe ukuthi i-high command yithandile noma i-high command ithi ayenzeni. No, I respect i-high command, but not with my belief. Uyayizwa lona? Not with my belief. With my belief angibanga ubishop ngenxa yomkhonto wesizwe, angibanga ubishop ngenxa ka-ANC, angibanga ubishop ngenxa any circumstances, but iwubizo lento, and lento ifuna uyi-associate nabo bizo lwakho. Ungabi khona an interference kuleyo bizo lwakho. So mina bafethu, I'm done bafethu, I'm done. Usethi suzamile, but ke no, I'm done bafethu, I'm done. sengifuna ezobizo lwami manje, Christians only. Angizukuba yilutho futhi lapho, angifuni nanokuyilida leyo, but sengofuna into nje ethi nje Christians la khona we can share izinto zakamoya, izinto kuyizona uNkulunkulu asibiza ku. Before iMK isibize ngoDecember 16, isifice esibizwe uNkulunkulu. Angifuni silahle leyo, ngifuna leyo ibe khona ukuthi isifice esibizwe uNkulunkulu. Ngiyacela bafowethu sinikezeni ilungelo. Akusikhona ukuthi sifuna ukuthandaza makunamarali, cha, ngingayithandazela nje abathandazayo. So thandaza nathi uma siyofika isikhathi sokuthandaza. Hayi futhi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngirecognize i-high structure ngoba nakho silid into yabefuna. No, we don't need that. Sesifuna ukuba yithi. Can you allow us ukuthi sibe yithi bafowethu Christians? Sazi ukuthi mainline churches are there, Pentecostal are there, charismatics are there, you know, all the Christians, even Zions that believes to Christ are there. Anybody that believes to Christ are there. Bafowethu ke sibe nento ukushare. Yazibuka nje manje, I look at if ilokuze ilento ukuhlukaniswa konyaka njengoba ku-2024 kufanele ngabe siyawela siya ku-2025. There is no program ongayenza ngoba fanele uma uzoyenza kube khona izangoma, kube khona izinyanga. Hayi bafowethu ikanti ngayenza le yanto ePitoli eningalimala bafowethu kakhulu. Ngeke ngiqamba manga le yanto yangilimaza ngoba ngiyakholelwa kuNkulunkulu ophilisayo, ngiyakholelwa kuJesu Kristu. I took a vow, I took a covenant with Christ. So now I want to come clear emkhontweni wesizwe ukuthi bafowethu ngiwumkhonto, angiyona iparallel, angiyona lutho, but I need ezobizo lwami nje kuphela. That is Christ bafowethu. Ezangomeni cha anginankinga. Bakhona abangani bami, bakhona oDlameni, bakhona oKethelezi, bakhona osibanibani lapha bobizo lwakhona. Ngiyabazi, siyazana, siyahlangana, sibiza sonke umkhonto. Kodwa ngiyafisa bafowethu, hayi akihlukane bafowethu, hayi ake sihlukaniseni. Hayi isengibambe kwanele. Yabo angifuni ukugcina kubo ngathi what I preach in my church is not le engiphila ngayo. I live on godly values, on Christ values. Let me put it like that. On Christ values. Uma ufuna ukungichallenge ke with this statement ensisho la, I'm not afraid. 071 978 4717. Angizondi nkolo, but ngicela inkolo yami. The Christ, the Christians, Jesu oyinkosi. Ngifuna mangikhuluma negroup ngizwe ivumelana nalento engabizwa ngayo. Bese ngibizwa ke lesi skipani umkhonto wesizwe. Sithi gwaza mkhonto gwaza. Sifuna masithi awugwaza umkhonto, sisho umkhonto wagwaza enxebeni lika Jesu. Owawugwazwa isosha elaserithayile, isosha elalingenaliso. Bafowethu ngathi ngiyambona umsholozi erithayile eyogwaza enxebeni kusinde iSouth Africa yonke. Yimi ke lo. Ngiyaxolisa bafowethu bangabe nginiphathe kabi kodwa this one is in me. Yabo.